Job success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a plan of action. Take the first step towards future success by identifying a goal and planning the steps that will make your dream a reality. You can do this by writing a professional goal statement. To write an achievable goal statement, consider the following tips. You can increase your chances of achieving your goals by writing them down, but how you write them down has an impact on your success as well. Avoid any self-defeating language such as, "I'd like to try to increase my sales, but I doubt if I can do it." A positive attitude is essential to meeting your goal. Ask yourself, who can help me achieve my goal? Identify family, friends, mentors, coworkers, and supervisors who can help you. Don't forget to check out other resources like the internet, libraries, and career centers. Is your goal realistic given your experience, education, and resources? You may need to consider what additional education or training you'll need to achieve your goal. Consider what items or materials you'll need. Do you need a new computer or specific software? Make a list of the items you need, their cost, and how and when you can purchase these items. It's important to review your plan on a regular basis so you know if you're working toward your goal or away from it. Create a series of benchmarks. Write down what you'll do to work towards your goal in 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, and so on. Review your benchmarks often. The more often you review, the more focused you'll become. Achieving your goal will take careful planning, focus, and daily persistence. But when you identify and record a professional goal, you've already taken the first step towards achieving workplace success.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.